tayo to launch the DTI's MSME Business Fund. We set aside 4 billion pesos po para sa mga MSMEs. No? This fund can actually be, we can actually now avail of this fund, right? They need to just apply online sa SB Corp at dti.gov.ph. Napaka-importante po ang capital sa isang negosyo, especially during times such as this. Ang loan po na ito ay no collateral po up to 5 million pesos and 1 year po no payment of principal and interest. So this 1 year po is enough time for the businesses to actually move forward. So maganda po itong loan na ito. So I encourage all the MSMEs out there to take advantage of this opportunity that the DTI through SB Corporation and the Philippine government can give to you. Dahil po sa ongoing Middle East crisis, ang pondong ito ay binuo upang masiguro ang tuloy-tuloy na operations, makabili rin tayo ng raw materials, buy equipment at higit sa lahat makapag-expand din po na negosyo or to prepare for the expansion of any business. To the MSMEs, the government is here to support you. Under the leadership of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., we are taking a whole government approach to make sure that we get things done. Lahat po kami ng cabinet secretaries ang nagtutulong-tulong para we can make sure na makausad po ang mga negosyo na gustong itayo, lalo na ng mga MSMEs. Sa Small Business Corporation or SB Corp, marami po kaming pautang para sa inyo. You can apply again at sbcorp@dti.gov.ph. Online na po ang application ng mga pautang na ito. But if you want to know more about these loans, you can also go to the different regional offices. We have 18 regional offices all over the country in 18 regions po. And we have 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide. So to all the business people out there, let's take advantage of these loans. And if meron pa tayong mga tanong or there are other things that we want to learn, mga information or other offerings that DTI has to give all the businesses out there, it's best for them to go to the different regional offices or the different negosyo centers. We will assist you. Yun talaga ang trabaho ng mga tao doon sa regional offices and sa negosyo centers ay mag-assist sa inyo. So doon yung makikita yung mga programa or yung mga loans na maibibigay ng DTI para sa inyo. So again, to our MSMEs, this program is for you. Please take advantage of this opportunity. Madali lang po ang mag-apply. Again, pwede kayo mag-apply online or in the regional offices and in the negosyo centers nationwide.